Ford has listened to the fans and made some exciting updates. From Ford, the upcoming AWD Ford Maverick Hybrid's new facelift added all-wheel drive options for the hybrid. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford Maverick, a compact pickup truck that just keeps getting better. Stick around as we break down all the new features, performance specs, and why this small truck is packing a big punch for 2025. Let's get started. What's new for 2025? As we told you in the beginning, the 2025 Ford Maverick is that hybrid models can now be equipped with all-wheel drive. That's right, now both hybrid and gas versions can tow up to 4,000 pounds, double what last year's hybrids could handle. Plus, the Tremor once an off-road package is now a full standalone trim. With these updates, the Maverick is ready to take on more rugged adventures while still being the affordable, efficient pickup we know and love. Exterior design, fresh look. The Maverick's getting a visual upgrade for 2025, with each trim sporting its own unique grille design. There's a new 7 shape in the headlights, and the upper trims like the Lariat and Tremor now come with LED running lights. The front bumper even extends up into the headlights for a bolder look. Sure, it's a bit divisive, but it definitely adds some personality to the Maverick's design. Whether you're into the sleek XL trim or the rugged Tremor, there's a Maverick look for everyone. Interior and tech upgrades. Inside, this small truck is versatile and friendly with 2 rows of seating. Large water bottles fit through the doors, and the backseat cushions lift to reveal hidden storage spaces below. With one exception, the hybrid version uses one of these spaces for its battery. The 2025 Maverick is all about modern convenience. Every trim now gets a massive 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen, replacing last year's smaller unit. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with 5G Wi-Fi and over-the-air updates. Higher trims, like the Tremor and Lariat, also come with adaptive cruise control and predictive speed assistance, making your ride as smooth and stress-free as possible. The new Tremor trim even adds some off-road style with orange stitching, engine options, and performance. The Maverick offers 2 solid powertrain options. The first is a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that delivers 138 horsepower and 275 pounds-ft of torque. While that's a slight drop in power from last year, it's still plenty capable. Then there's the hybrid setup powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor for a combined 191 horsepower. The big news is that all-wheel drive is now available with the hybrid, which was a huge limitation in the previous models. Whether you go gas or hybrid, both options are solid choices depending on your driving needs, towing, payload, and efficiency. The 2025 Maverick isn't just about looks and tech, it's got the muscle to back it up. With the right setup, both the gas and hybrid models can tow up to 4,000 pounds, and the Maverick's payload capacity is up to 1,500 pounds. The Tremor trim's payload is slightly lower at 1,140 pounds, but it's still a great option for off-road enthusiasts. When it comes to fuel economy, the hybrid leads the way with 37 mpg combined, dropping slightly to 36 mpg with all-wheel drive. For the gas engine, you're looking at around 25 mpg combined, which is still respectable for a truck in this class. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Ford Maverick is getting a slight price bump, but it's still a fantastic value. The base 40 trim starts at $27,890, and if you're eyeing the hybrid, the XLT starts at $30,390. If you want the top-tier models, the AWD Lariat Hybrid starts at $38,330, and the rugged Tremor trim comes in at $41,390. You can place your orders starting August 1st, with deliveries expected by the end of the year. The Maverick's hybrid with all-wheel drive is now available, making it even more versatile than ever before. Warranty and safety features. Out of 5 stars, the NHTSA has awarded the Maverick an overall rating of 4, although it hasn't conducted a whole battery of tests yet. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IHS) appreciated the standard forward collision warning system with automated emergency braking and pedestrian recognition. The Ford new car warranty is valid for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. The guarantee for powertrains is 5 years or 60,000 miles. And that wraps up our look at the 2025 Ford Maverick. With its fresh design, all-wheel drive hybrid option, and tech-packed upgrades, it's easy to see why this compact pickup is a fan favorite. It has off-road capabilities, is reasonably powerful, comfortable, and has a lot of the small features that truck owners like. What do you think? Is the Maverick your go-to compact truck for 2025? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more updates on the latest trucks, SUVs, and everything automotive. Visit www.eve-riders.com for more auto update and review. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.